Are you tired of trading your time for money? Then it's time to explore the world of passive income. But first, let's understand what it takes to generate passive income and what passive income really means. Passive income is the money you earn with little ongoing effort or active involvement. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep or enjoy your life. In other words, it is the income that continues to be earned even when a person is not actively working or trading their time for money. So in this video, I will cover the top passive income sources that can earn you money while you sleep. But before we look into these different options, I want to tell you that what works for one person may not work for another. It all depends on their skills, interest, and financial situation. The ideas I'm going to share have varying degrees of passivity. Some may require more upfront money than your time commitment, while others may require more of your time than money. However, all of these options will provide you with passive income in the coming years after the initial few months of time, effort, and investment. So let's dive in. The first option is dividend paying stocks. Dividend paying stocks are a type of investment that pay you a portion of company's earning as dividends on regular basis. For example, if you own 100 shares of a company that pays $1 dividend each year, you will earn $100 in passive income. Of course, investing in the stock market always carries some risk, so it's important to do your research and diversify your portfolio. One way to do that is to invest in index fund or ETF. Index funds are investments that track a market index such as S&P 500. So investing in index funds can earn passive income from dividends paid by the company in that index. How much money you make from dividends obviously depends on the amount you invest and which type of index funds you choose. Many index funds and ETFs track dividend paying indices which comprise of stocks that pay dividends. For example, the iShares Select Dividend tracks the Dow Jones US Select Dividend Index, which is made up of 100 high dividend paying stocks. As I open their website, it says the iShares Select Dividend ETF seeks to track the investment results of an index composed of the relatively high dividend paying US equities. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you can get exposure to a diversified portfolio of dividend paying stocks with lower risk than investing in individual stocks. Additionally, many index funds and ETFs offer relatively low expenses, making them a cost-effective way to invest in a dividend-paying stocks. I have made several videos explaining what index funds are, so you can check those out here. Next is rental properties. Rental properties are another popular form of passive income. By owning a rental property, you will earn rental income each month from tenants. You can also build equity in the property over time, which can increase its value and your passive income. While rental properties can be a great source of passive income, there are also some disadvantages to consider, like high upfront cost. Investing in a rental property often requires a large amount of upfront capital, which can be a significant barrier to entry for some investors. Also, rental properties require ongoing maintenance and management, which can be time-consuming and expensive. This can include routine repairs, handling tenant complaints, and managing rental payments. In addition, there is always a risk of tenant problems such as non-payment of rent, property damage, or legal disputes. These issues can be stressful and time-consuming to resolve, so just be aware of that. And also, if your property is not occupied, it will not earn any income from the rent. So it's important to carefully consider these potential disadvantages before investing in any rental property as a form of passive income. However, with proper management and a long-term investment mindset, rental properties can still be a very good source of passive income for many investors. Third option is saving your money in a high-yield saving account. High-yield savings accounts are designed to help customers earn more interest on their savings while still having the flexibility to withdraw their money when they need it. So if it is paying 4% and you have $10,000 saved in it, you will get $400 as interest income at the end of 1 year versus getting $25 in a traditional savings account that pays only 0.25%. So one of the primary advantages of high yield savings account is that They typically have lower costs because they are online banks and not brick and mortar banks, so they can pass those cost savings to their customers through higher annual percentage yield or APY. This means that customers can earn more interest on their deposits over time, which can help their money grow fast. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Capital One, SoFi, Lending Club, Ally Bank are some of these banks that are offering high yield savings account. Just keep in mind that these accounts may have some type of restrictions such as minimum balance requirements or limits on the number of withdrawals allowed each month. So you can check those out at their website. Also, remember that the interest rates on these accounts can fluctuate over time, so it's important to monitor them regularly. But usually they are a better option than traditional savings account because they pay you higher interest rates. The next option is creating an online course. This can be a great way to earn passive income from your expertise. Once you create the course, you can sell it on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or Teachable and earn passive income from each sale. The initial work of creating the course and setting up the platform will require significant time and effort, but once the course is created and available online, it can generate income with minimal ongoing maintenance. So that's when you'll start earning passively. Of course, the success of the course will depend on factors such as the demand for that topic, the quality of the course material, the marketing strategies you're using, and the competition in the market. However, if the course is well made and marketed effectively, it can attract a large audience and generate a consistent stream of income. Overall, creating an online course can be a great passive income option for those willing to put in that initial effort and have expertise in a particular area. Fifth option is to create a mobile app. If you have programming skills, creating a mobile app can be a viable option to earn passive income. You can earn money from the app through advertising, in-app purchases, or subscription fees. The next option is to create a blog. By creating a blog and attracting a large audience, you can earn passive income from advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. This can be a great passive income option for those with a passion for writing and the willingness to put in the consistent effort over time. Starting a blog requires setting up a website, creating quality content, and marketing the blog to attract readers. But once the blog gains momentum and traction, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, advertising revenues, and sponsored posts. It does take some time for the blog to get viewers, so you have to be patient about that. I enjoy writing and I have my own blog called Your Everyday Economics, so you can check that out. I have put that link in the description below. It's very essential to keep the blog updated with fresh and relevant content to maintain the reader's interest. So you can give it a try if you enjoy writing and like keeping yourself updated about the topics. And most importantly, if you are willing to spend a couple of hours on the blog each week to keep it running. Once you start earning on previous posts that you have already written, that's when you will start earning passive income. In fact, several bloggers have quit their full-time jobs and made blogging their full-time profession once they started seeing good results. The next option is renting out your unused space, such as a spare room or parking space. This is another option for passive income, but can only work for some individuals who have that space to rent. But if you have that extra space and you're not using it, it won't harm you to advertise it for renting purposes. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. The next option for passive income is rental storage unit investment. Once the units are built, you will earn rental income each month without having to actively manage them. This option can be a viable passive income option, especially if the investor can acquire the units at a reasonable cost and in a prime location. Rental storage units can generate steady rental income with relatively low maintenance cost compared to other types of rental properties. However, there are few drawbacks to investing in rental storage units. First is the demand for rental storage unit can fluctuate depending on the economy and season, which can impact the occupancy rate and rental income. Also, investing in rental storage requires significant upfront capital, including the cost of acquiring the property taxes, insurance, and maintenance cost. So overall, you have to consider these factors like upfront capital and other costs to see if this is a good option for you. Next option is selling digital products. This can be another good option to get passive income. If you have skills in designing, photography, or writing, you can create digital products like ebooks, templates, or stock photos to sell online. There are several online marketplaces where you can sell your ebooks, templates, and stock photos. I will share some of the most popular options, one of which I have used myself. First is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. This is a platform that allows you to self-publish and sell your ebooks on Amazon. Second is Etsy. This is an online marketplace for vintage and handmade clothing as well as digital templates. I have seen a lot of shops that sell digital products like templates, digital themed birthday party supplies, and party games that you can download and print. Next is Creative Market. This is a platform that sells a variety of digital products, including templates and stock photos. Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock are another platforms where you can sell your stock photos and earn royalties each time someone downloads your image. So these were some of the options to sell your digital products. So it's important to know that when choosing a platform, you need to consider factors like their fees, their payment options, and the audience reach. You may want to try out a few different platforms to see which one works best for your products. The next option is royalties. If you have written a book, recorded a music, or created other type of intellectual property, you can earn passive income through royalties. These are payments you receive based on the sales or usage of your work. The last in my list is starting a YouTube channel. I would rate starting a YouTube channel for passive income as a good option, but it requires a lot of effort and time to be successful. The competition on the platform is huge and it can take time to build audience and generate consistent income. However, if you have passion for creating content and are willing to put in the work, it can be a rewarding way to earn passive income. YouTube's partner programs allows creators to earn revenue through advertising and other monetization strategies like affiliate marketing and sponsored videos where the creator is promoting a specific product. As for me right now, my channel is not monetized and I cannot reap any rewards of passive income yet, but hopefully in future I will be. I know there are many successful YouTubers who are doing this as a full-time job and earning thousands of dollars. So this was a long video, but I hope you found some options that may work for you. Just remember that while passive income may not require constant active effort, it often requires initial setup, sometimes money investment, ongoing management, and occasional maintenance to keep it sustainable and growing. Thank you for watching. My name is Parul. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in my next video.